There are two ways to set up an uptime check. In this video, we will use the Add Uptime Check button. What do you want to call your check? Name it so you will always recognize it. Here, you can modify the test interval if you'd like. The default is once per minute, which we recommend since this will catch even small outages. There are various types of monitoring available. For now, we just want to monitor a website. If you want specific customization of your check, press the Optional tab and dig in. Here's where you add your URL. Make sure that you switch to HTTPS if your site uses secure protocol. Now, select the region you wish to perform your tests from. Do you require IPv6? Be sure to check the box. Got many uptime checks running? Tag them with relevant words to simplify filtering test results. If you want to receive alerts when your check is down, we need to give this area a few seconds of attention. Here, you can choose the importance of this check, which you can also assign to users in the User Settings tab. Choose who to alert. By default, you'll receive an alert after 5 minutes, but you can set this to as often or as seldom as you like. Here, you can choose after how many cycles you want to receive an alert. If you like to be constantly updated, then use this slider to choose an interval. If you think it's nice to get an alert when things are back to normal, check this box. The message you receive will also tell you how long your check was down. Now, test the check to make sure everything's working. Then click Create Check. There you go. Congratulations, you've just set up amazing monitoring for your website's availability. After a minute, this icon will turn green, indicating that the first check has been performed and everything is fine. Whenever you want to make a change, simply click the drop-down list on your right and choose Edit.